honestly, you don't really look too good right now. That just feels off, right? It feels wrong. Like that statement feels wrong. Here's why. The way that you say the word honestly, and honestly, I tell people all the time, just take the word out of your vocabulary completely. But the way you say the word honestly sometimes makes you sound very disingenuous. Makes you sound like you're lying. Makes you sound like you're a fraud. Honestly, no. You're not speaking honestly. You're just using the word honestly to make people feel some sort of way. Again, I love using some sort of way because it doesn't mean that you want them to feel good. It doesn't mean you want them to feel bad. There's a way you want them to feel. It's another form of kneecapping a statement or just making yourself self-soothing is what I like to call it. But you get the point. Take that word out of your vocabulary and there are a few other words. Stick with me, I promise, to take them all out of your vocabulary. Don't use those words. Honestly, no. Just say it, because if it was honest, then it would be coming out of your mouth honest. Here's the thing, if it wasn't honest before, it's not gonna be honest now, and everything coming out your mouth should be honest anyway. Because if everything out your mouth is coming honest, then you'll be able to be a boss. Get your point across. And ultimately, stop yourself from sounding stupid.